Another person filming behind the camera. This time we got Joe from Real Muscle. He gave me my shirt that I've been asking for because he stole the R from Rutgers. Rutgers alumni over here. Alright, so we're here at Reinvent You Gym Shoulder Day with Marty. Again, he's going to push me. This gym is brand new. It's honestly really nice. I might have to start coming here. But we're going to do our first workout at this gym. And it's going to be shoulders. And it's Halloween, by the way. So Real Muscle is appropriate for today's film. So let's get started. Do it.
Is it heavy enough?
At least you doubled the weight this time.
Is it too light now?
No.
Okay, same thing. Pull it up. No. Long off.
It's just a very straight thing.
Because they're not so sweaty and gross, but like full heat. And like, you know, when bars just get really sweaty, they're like slippery. These feel that, yeah.
So I was talking about on my back days I like to do single arm, and I haven't really been doing that a lot for shoulders other than side laterals, but I have been incorporating some single arm presses, and honestly single arm for me just like works so much better. So I tried this before with 2 arms together, and honestly it feels better with 1, so I also get to see what it feels like to be normal people height. Got the skull shirt underneath for Halloween.
I think it's just violence right now. Good thing, you look great. feel like it's like strength curve with one plate's good, and then once you go to like 3, then it gets really heavy.
Okay.
I'll help you out as well.
Well, because how many plates do you do?
I'll probably go 4 if my think that's what I want to. I can do like 6. Front delts are pretty strong when you do handstands all day, man.
Guess that's why.
I love it. And elbow sleep.
Elbow sleep, thankfully, I don't need yet. Knock on wood.
Well, I'm an old man and I need.
My wrists are taking a beating from handstands, so I can't practice too many handstands in one handstand session, I guess you can call it. So, gotta be smart. Unlike him.
No comment.
Just kidding.
That's not nice.
I'm just kidding.
I've been eating a fucking carton of eggs a day, pound of bacon a day, loaf of bread. Alright, talk again. You didn't get it.
Try to get 10. Okay? 11.
2. Your way. You're halfway, and I'll come back. Good. Up here. That's easy. Easy. That's it. Good. Push. Turn it. Good.
I normally can get 2 plates, not on this machine. The seated press. Different seated press. What is that seated press called? What? The regular one, not this one. Just the seated press?
The hammer?
Yeah, hammers.
Yeah. It just depends. I was gonna say, it just depends on the machine.
More, almost 2.5 plates, like 2 plates and a quarter. For a week today.
Say it again?
I'm just gonna touch this, and then I think I'll go up to 5.
Okay.
Right there.
It feels like this because my neck. That's so tight when I stand straight.
A bit better. I got you double hand. I can't. Being over. You're double. Probably do one more lap.
I think I can do this, babe.
You're gonna tell me how to do this.
Yeah, I think I need the box.
Like a good day to go to the beach.
Such a weird people.
It is kind of hard to stay over the top one.
Start using your elbows a little bit too much, actually. Yeah, I guess I'll hold this handle first. Are we done? Okay. When I train with other people, I just feel like I didn't work out. But today I actually feel like I worked out. How was that? We are going into our 6 weeks out to the Olympia. First shoulder day of the week, Halloween, pumpkin delts. I guess we'll be staying tuned as we get into the Olympia, but that's a wrap for today. Shoulders with Marty on Halloween.
Like, subscribe, do all the fun YouTube stuff.
Yeah, exactly. YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, share, that kind of stuff, you know?
Peace.